Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Glad to see you here. Wanted to share with you useful information about the stock market. If you're interested in this issue, if you want to know how to make the passive income, I will show it to you, how I'm doing it, and let's start. Before, I wanted to say that all the useful links, of course, you can find in the description panel of this video. So let's start. I believe that you know something about stock market and you're interested in this issue. So I used to try a lot of platforms that allows you to make purchases about the shares of big companies, but I stopped with the IQ option, link in the description. First you need to do is just pass the free registration on this platform to get the opportunity to buy some interesting shares. So let's see what's happening on the market. For example, Tesla made 17%. 17%. It's happened with a couple days, literally. PayPal, Devon Energy, Netflix, plenty of companies. I'll show you my portfolio. So now I've made 1,646 bucks. I have Canopy Growth, Siemens, just falling down a little bit, Royal Bank, Apple made me 300 bucks. Tesla made the big profit. I want to show it to you. There was a huge jump right here, and this is very nice. So the great thing about this company is that first of all, this is worldwide known companies, and you can be sure that these companies will not disappear in like days. You know, it's happening with some startups. Companies are blowing up. Let's see, I have some assets in pending. For example, I bought a Facebook, and the system will buy the shares of Facebook for me automatically at the moment of opening of this asset on the official market. So this is absolutely official thing. Coca-Cola, McDonald's, and couple of Beyond Meat. Active One assets right now, I showed it to you. So this is my portfolio, and want to explain how I'm doing it. So there's a couple ways. Day trading, when, for example, you know that Apple will bring to the market the new iPhone. Yeah, it's every fall they make presentations and make their new products, and in general the shares are growing in the price at this time. So there's season things. There's agricultural companies that also growing their products during the year, and in the fall they like making the products and selling them, and shares of these companies growing up. So you can think about it, and you can act accordingly to this information. For example, Coca-Cola, right here, right now, I will buy the shares of this company in 7 hours. This is great, big, huge company that makes like big income for the company, and you should consider that you are the owner of this company if you buy their assets, if you buy their shares. For example, I believe that anyone want to own business and gain money on it to get the passive income, and this is one of the best ways to make your own investment and to make your own passive income. I'm using the swing trading method, like to buy on the bottom and to sell when the shares is growing with the price. But there's another way. Daily trading, for example, gives you opportunity to make fast money but you need a big amount of investment, and like the growing is not so fast, so you can gain small amounts of money. The swing trading gives you opportunity to make more money, but with a longer period of time. And third method that I'm used to trade is buy and hold. So if you're holding shares of some company for a year, for example, you will get the dividends, and a lot of companies make their dividends growing all the time. So from year to year, the dividends growing bigger, bigger, and bigger. And this money that you gain from dividends, you can reinvest in the different shares of different companies. So the point is, investment is a great idea for sure. And there's plenty of platforms, but I like this one, and I suggest you to pass the free registration and try to do it yourself. This platform allows you to get your own experience with a practice account, and after you will get the results and your own experience in the practice account, you can invest money and you can make your first deposit. It can be a small amount of money. You don't need like thousands of dollars. You just need to start. This is the main issue of my video. Don't waste your time. Just be wise and start investing right now, and in couple years, in couple months even, you can see the result of your investment, and you can see the profit, and the system is making everything without you. So you just make a decision, buying, selling shares, and making money with that. Wish you a great day. Think wise, and act right now. All the useful links under this video. I'm very grateful for you watching my channel, and press subscribe if you like my content. See you next time. Bye.